Welcome to our exploration of chia seeds, a tiny but mighty superfood that has been cherished for centuries. Chia seeds are tiny black or white seeds from the Salvia hispanica plant, which is native to Central America. They're known for being nutrient-dense and are often considered a superfood. Nutritional highlights include being high in omega-3 fatty acids, rich in fiber, and containing protein, antioxidants, calcium, and magnesium. Antioxidant content. Antioxidants in chia seeds help reduce inflammation, which is linked to improved lipid profiles. Support for weight management. The fiber and protein in chia seeds help you feel full longer, which may aid in weight control, a key factor in managing cholesterol and triglycerides. Regular consumption, alongside a balanced diet and exercise, can support better heart health. Now let's dive into some common uses and recipes that make the most of these versatile seeds. Common uses added to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or salads to boost fiber and nutrient content in recipes. Here are some easy and tasty ways to include chia seeds in your daily diet. 1. Chia pudding, simple and customizable. Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with half a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, and let it sit for a few hours or overnight. Sweeten with honey or maple syrup and top with fruits, nuts or granola. 2. Smoothie booster. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of chia seeds directly to your smoothie before blending. It thickens the smoothie slightly and boosts fiber and omega-3. 3. Overnight oats. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds into your overnight oats mix. It enhances the texture and adds nutrition without changing the taste. 4. Sprinkle on meals. Sprinkle on top of salads, yogurt, cereal or toast. Adds a subtle crunch and a fiber and protein punch. 5. Chia egg for baking. Mix 1 tablespoon chia seeds with 2.5 tablespoons water. Let sit 5 to 10 minutes until gelled. Replace 1 egg in recipes like pancakes, muffins, or cookies. 6. Chia water or juice. Stir 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a glass of water or juice. Let sit 15 to 30 minutes, then drink. A simple, hydrating way to take advantage of their energy-sustaining properties. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.